Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where we are watching from. We are back again on a new video. This is the America Gift official, and I want you to go through his post with me just to make sure that we clear air on these lies and propaganda that they can never ever stop, engaging themselves into. They always have something to say which is not making sense at all. As you can see here on your screen, Emeka Gift said, I am ready to fight for 20 years to restore Biafra. Ekpa makes U-turn on 2nd December Biafran declaration. It's Biafran Race declaration, Okoko. Simon Ekpa in a shocking and disheartening view to his followers has asked them not to expect magic on 2nd December. Recall that Ekpa has assured his followers that he will declare and restore Biafra on 2nd of December, and they have defended his statement. In a shocking U-turn message, the Finland-based has asked his followers not to expect magic, that he will fight Nigeria beyond what Vietnam's fought America. Ekpa fought Vietnam fought America for 20 years. Hence, he warned his followers that Biafran struggle under autopilot or Coco under Biafra government in exile. You cannot change the fact. So Biafran struggle under autopilot, that according to him, which he champions, will take a very long time. Be informed that Ekpa has criticized Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB for taking too long to restore Biafra. You guys were not fighting Biafra, fighting for Biafra. You are not even fighting Nigeria. You only creating awareness. There's a difference between creating awareness and fighting. His sudden change must have left his followers whom emotionally got deceived, disappointed. Hear him. You are very, very stupid, to be honest. I don't like to insult people on my platform, but you guys are making it look like, I expect you to be more than this, but who am I to tell who you are actually? Now listen. Let's hear from PM himself, the video that he shared.
It's not after that.
Listen.
The 2nd of December is not after that. Some of you will come and say, oh, there is still military barracks. You are going to have them. But let me tell you, if the Vietnamese fought America for years and succeeded in making America to flee, we are ready to fight Nigeria even more than what the Vietnamese did. And we dictate how this particular war will be fought. We are never going into conventional warfare with Nigeria. But the delegitimization will take a different tone. And what I'm trying to tell you people today is that you must be prepared for a very long years of battle for the legitimacy of Biafra government. It is not something that happened in one day. It is not something that happened immediately after our declaration on 2nd of December. But 2nd of December will mark the beginning of a very long battle, which we are going to show our determination with our actions and inactions. So my fellow Biafrans, all I'm here to tell you this afternoon is for you to understand that after the declaration on December 2nd, 2024, the battle begin. And we are not going to stop. If it is going to take us 20 years to fight Nigeria differently than what we did in 67 and 70, we are ready for it. If it takes also 23 years for Taliban to defeat America and they left their land, we are ready to fight even 40 years. Since 1967 to 2024, Nigeria continued to fight us. The only thing is that we have not fought Nigeria until now. And in this fight, we are still defending ourselves. So 2nd of December will mark the beginning of the Biafra liberation. Do not expect something or any magic to happen. We will make the magic to happen. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Okay, first thing first, I want you to understand that what PM said here is a kind of for you not to, fall for any kind of propaganda, because he knew what these people can do. He understands the mentality of people from their camp. You know, without being told, I myself, I knew that it's not something that you cannot expect after declaration. It will come, it turn to bread and butter. That's not how it works. They have fought, not fight. They have carried flag, okay, for 15 good years, making creating awareness, IPOB. You understand? And my not like BF said, if it will take, if you're gonna take Biafran 20 years, that Biafran should get ready for that. IPOB, without fighting, creating awareness and teaching people, because they always say that we're teaching our people. Even just this year, the other guy they called Metisela was on a video broadcast saying that somebody asked him, "What are you guys doing now to restore Biafra?" He said, "No, we are not restoring Biafra now. We are teaching people like you the need so that we can come together." That is what I have been doing for 20 years. Even Mas Namori Kano himself said that he's tired. That he's tired. That he waiting for 100 men. He knew that the time has come. That they have spent a lot of time waiting for them to summon courage. Like in the word of Kenana TV. Our good brother is very funny. Say that they always tell you that you are pushing us to war. You are pushing us to war. So they'll keep on killing you, massacring you, throwing their body into water, and taking pouring chemical on their dead bodies, and all manner of inhuman treatment have been meted on them. Yet they keep on shouting, "Yo, you are pushing us to war. Don't push us to war, Lord. If you push us to war, the day we will start. When are you going to start? What can you do?" And he's here trying to make it look like PM don't know what he's saying. Like I always say, had it been that these guys are talking to probably from people from the northern part of Nigeria, they would have succeeded, because especially if they're talking and leave their beard long and put there this imam cap and everything, look like a leader in a mosque, they would have listened to you. But not in Southeast, not in Igbo. You don't deceive Igbo people with this kind of propaganda. We know when you guys make propaganda. We know when you guys are not making propaganda. Propaganda is a normal thing in a movement like this. We understand that. That's why when we see or hear some of them making propaganda, we accept it, we run with it. Why? Because we felt that it is part of the game. But when you guys allow people that you are sharing, you are doing the propaganda to, and started using it on us, that's a no-no. Like when they were telling us that Buhari is a Jubri and all that, we understand what it means. Do you understand? We run with it. But after saying that, you now make you turn to us and start telling us the same thing, the same synergy, that Biafrans is a government agent, and any paradigm you guys will run quick to run to Barak and start calling governors to come and help you and catch them and do this, and that's propaganda that some of you. Propaganda is a tool being used by sensible people. Any sensible human being will use propaganda to convince even sensible people to believe that what he or she is saying is the truth. But when propaganda is in the mouth of they will always make themselves look more stupid than ever. Do you understand? So, and that is why most of their comment, and I watched a video that they shared yesterday, telling people to go and watch Elochuku or Elochuku somebody. That guy, for that to me, I called him Sheikh Hosani. Look like Sheikh Hosani. I don't know if some of you have know the guy I'm talking about. He was really talking about psychological warfare. I listened to that program, not all, because it's quite long. I laugh. You see, somebody that is you are preaching and teaching about Biafra movement and the freedom of your people and all that. At the same time, you are talking about psychological warfare. So everything is not psychological warfare. That's what you guys have been using. If that is the case, But don't forget that we have different strengths in our brain, in our ability to reason. So we cannot reason like you, and we are not expecting you to reason like us. But we know the truth when we see one. Do you understand? Anyway, I don't want to waste much of your time on this video. Thank you so much for your time. I want you to tell me what you think about what this guy said, and what you understand from what PM is saying. Is, it's common sense is not common, and I don't expect everybody to behave like us, and I'm not expecting anybody to. But sometimes they are, to me, each time I read when they're trying to make sense, I see more foolishness. I don't know if I'm the only one saying it. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you so much, and see you again. Bye bye for now. Thank you, guys.